Taking a full screen screenshot on Windows 8 and 10. 1. Go to the screen that you want to screenshot. Before you can take a screenshot, make sure that the screen which you want to screenshot is up with no distractions, example open windows or programs. 2. Find the print screen key on your keyboard. The print screen key is most often found in the upper right side of the main keyboard, not counting the number pad if your keyboard has one, and it usually has SYSREQ, system requirements, written below it. The print screen key will usually be abbreviated to PRTSC or something similar. 3. Press the Win key and the print screen key at the same time, although do press the Windows key first. Doing so will take a screenshot of the current screen. In most cases, you'll see the screen dim briefly. Your screen won't dim if your computer has certain display settings disabled. This is most common on old computers on which you upgraded to Windows 10. If your screenshot doesn't appear when you look for it, try pressing Ctrl plus Win plus Print Screen or FN plus Win plus Print Screen. 4. Find the screenshot. You'll find the screenshot inside of the Screenshots folder, which is inside of your computer's Pictures folder. Each screenshot that you take will be labeled Screenshot Number, to correspond with the order in which the screenshot was taken. For example, the first screenshot you take will be labeled Screenshot 1, etc.